Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
In number 11, write these sentences in the correct form. Present simple positive. Angela be a clever girl. So, verb to be in positive in present simple is are, is. Let's see the answer. So Angela, if you write Angela be a clever girl, it's not correct. Angela are a clever girl, it's not correct. So is. Angela is a clever girl. She can play the piano very well. So as you remember, when we studied verb can, we said that verb can doesn't change with all pronouns. So doesn't take S with he, she, it. So I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. So let's go to number 3. Richard fly to Madrid every weekend. Richard flies. So we studied in the lessons of present simple, if the verb ends in Y and before it we have a consonant, here we have L, so we delete Y, or we drop Y, and we put or we add IES. Richard flies to Madrid every weekend. And the last example, Tom teach English at university. So Tom teaches. So we don't add just S, we add ES because the verb ends with CH. Tom teaches English at university. So let's see these sentences in the negative form. So what is the negative form of is? If you still remember, so the negative form of is isn't. What's the negative form of can? Can't. And let's see the answers. So Angela be a clever girl in the negative form. Angela isn't a clever girl. Angela isn't a clever girl. She can play the piano very well. She can't play the piano very well. Can't. So now we have Richard fly to Madrid every weekend. Richard doesn't fly. So when we have a verb, normal verb, so always with he, she, it, we put doesn't. So Richard means he. Richard doesn't fly to Madrid every weekend. And Tom teach English at university. Tom, it means he, so he doesn't. Tom doesn't teach English at university. As we said, in the negative form, the verb remains in the infinitive. The verb doesn't take S, ES, or IES. Let's go to slide number 14. In slide number 14, we are going to ask questions for the underlined words. As I said in the previous lesson, lesson 66, if we have underlined words in sentences, if we are asked to write questions, don't repeat these underlined words, because if you repeat them, your answer will not be correct. So Emilia has 4 brothers and 5 sisters. So here we are going to ask about number. So to ask about number, we use how many. How many? Let's see the answers. Emily has 4 brothers and 5 sisters. The question is a little bit difficult. So because you are going to do many things in the same question. So the first thing you are going to write is how many. The second word is always after how many we use nouns in the plural form. So how many brothers and sisters? And because we have a verb has, So we need to, in the present simple, so we need to put does. So how many brothers and sisters? Does, and then Emilia, and then have. So how many brothers? So three things you are going to do in this question. How many brothers and sisters does Emilia have? If you say does Emilia has, it's not correct, because when we have does, the verb remains in the infinitive. It doesn't take s. Let's go to number 2. Jones usually goes fishing in the morning. So with adverbs of frequency, always, usually, sometimes, often, never, so we use in the question how often. So how often, and we need to put does and then the subject Jones. So how often does Jones go fishing in the morning? Number 3, all the students of this class are 7. So here we are going to ask about age. So how old are all the students of this class? So all the students of this class are 7. And the last question in this slide, Bob's new car is white. What color is Bob's new car? Let's go to the last slide, slide number 15. In slide number 15, every sentence has 2 mistakes. Find the mistakes and correct them, or spot the mistakes and correct them. Sentence number 1, Lubna have 1 sister and 3 brothers. Let's find the mistakes. So the mistake, when we say Lubna, we don't say have, we say has, because she has. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. So Lubna means she, a girl or a woman. So Lubna has 1 sister and 3 brothers. So the 2 mistakes are have and sisters. Let's go to number 2. David want to go into the United States. So the problem here with want. So with David, it means he. And present simple, he. So he wants. David wants. We don't say to go in to the United States, especially after want. So the verb is in the infinitive, to go. He wants to go, not to go in, to go. He wants to go, or David wants to go to the United States. Sorry. Number 3, I can to go at the beach today. So I can go, not to go, I can go. Because after can, the verb comes without to, infinitive without to. And we don't say at the beach, to the beach, go to the beach. So I can go to the beach today. Number 4, I am 24 years old. So when we have apostrophe, we don't write a. So I am 24 years old. Not year old, years old. The last example, Tom and Bob is good friend. So we have plural form here, the verb in the plural and the noun in the plural. So Tom and Bob are, not is, good friends, not friend. So yeah, that's the end of this revision. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot of things.